Hi there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. My name is Julia and today I want to share a song with you which is called Alle meine Entchen. And this is a German children's song. I actually learned it when I moved to Germany about 2 years ago, and one of my little students, she was singing this song and said she wanted to learn it on the violin. And it was so cute and I was like, wow, this song is perfect to learn on the violin. So then I learned it myself and now I'm going to teach this to you. It's a perfect song for absolute beginners. So if this is one of your first songs, that is perfect. And yeah, I wish you good luck learning the song. Let's get started. First I'm going to play the whole song for you so you see what it will sound like in the end, and then I'm going to break it down. So the song starts on the A string, and actually it starts with a little scale upwards, and if you ever practice scales, this will be very similar to the A major scale. But if you didn't practice it, I'm going to show it to you right now. A, 1, 2, 3. Switch the bow to the E string and play E. E. Play the first finger on the E string and play 1, 1, 1, 1, open E string. With these notes, try to remember to play the shorter notes with little amount of bow. The longer notes, these ones, play them with more bow. Short, 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 long. This part is repeating itself. Short, 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 long. So we are playing that twice. And then we are putting all our fingers on the A string. This is the hardest part of the songs. Put all the fingers ready and put the bow on the A string, and then, only then, go on. And this may take a while if you just started learning the violin. So, putting all the fingers on the string. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. 0. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you still have any questions left. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.